What if I told you that you could receive $35 an hour? Better yet, you can do this anywhere with your laptop or computer, you just need to make sure you have an internet connection. All you have to do is to correct misspelled words. After all, you can find out how any word is spelled just by typing it into Google nowadays. So, don't miss out. Watch the video all through, check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Here's an eye-opening stat for you. Many people now make good money from online jobs. In other words, they use their personal computers, smartphones, or other devices to supercharge their income wherever they can hop onto the internet, whether that's in a local cafe or in the comfort of their own home. This research comes from the research company Pew Research Center. They call it the gig economy. Here are some ways the research revealed people are making a quick buck from the gig economy. Using digital devices to offer a service online was a way to earn income. Other people use apps on their computer devices that permit people to hire them to babysit, walk dogs, or do repair or cleanup work. Some of these people said they had jobs that paid a few pennies each to take surveys. Others typed reports or other information on their home computers. It's the last one I want to talk to you about today. Making money by writing a few words on your home computer or laptop. You see, the main challenge of starting work like this is finding paid gigs. But there's a website that does all the hard work of finding decent paid writing jobs for you. It's called Paid Online Writing Jobs. Beginner online writing jobs paying between $25 to $35 per hour working for online companies. Remote, so available to people from any country. You'll be working directly with this small company based in any country worldwide, helping them write content for their blog and social media accounts. To apply, you'll need to take a few seconds to enter your details. Awesome! You are now one step closer to working as a paid online writer, getting $25 to $35 every hour. Click the below link in the description to see what jobs are available now. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.